Assalamualaikum dosto, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are discussed about in a topic how to create the perfect backyard movie night on the cheap. Want to grab some friends and enjoy your favorite film under the stars. Take a look at our favorite low cost projects, screens, speakers and accessories. Plus tips for a budget friendly movie night in your own backyard. When the weather turns from winter chill to spring and summer warmth, the thought of watching a movie in your backyard gets more and more appealing. For some, that means setting up something akin to an outdoor movie theater complete with an 80-inch or larger screen, a screenio we covered in our roundup of the best outdoor projectors. But the cost and offer of the approach is not for everyone. You might prefer a faster, easier, more spontaneous setup, preferably with a lighter weight, less expensive projector. The good news, you can still have a you may be hesitant to buy an inexpensive model that offers a native resolution of 720 pixels or even lower. Do not be no matter how good your easy sight. Your visual acuity has limit. Use a small enough screen or step back far enough from a big screen and you literally will not see any difference between 480 pixel and 4K. Once you have gotten used to 4K content on a large screen, whether on a 4K TV or a home thread projector setup, you might be bothered by the short focus look of lower resolution on big screens if you are close enough to notice it. But you do not need to worry much about that for most inexpensive projectors. Only a few are bright enough to throw a large enough picture to see much difference, if any, between 4K and 180 pixel likely be sitting. If you plan to sit close enough to the image for differences between 180 pixel and still lower resolution to matter, and you find us to a stop short focus look bothersome, be sure to pick a projector with native 180 pixel resolution. Do not be fooled by ads that short 180 pixel spot. In many cases, that means the projector will accept 180 pixel input the down convert it to a lower native resolution. And the ads often avoid spelling that out. If there are nothing that specifies 180 pixel or 11920 by 180 as the native resolution or display resolution. Get a confirmation before buying or moving on to another projector. Among the models you might want to consider for watching at 180 pixel are the Vanquay Leisure 470 Pro and Vanquay Performance. Vanquay Leisure The Vanquay Leisure 470 Pro is our most budget-friendly pick, listing 249.99 but often available with deals that drop the price to well under $200. In addition to 180 pixel resolution, it offers wireless screen mirroring and for Android or iOS. So guys, it has two HDMI ports, a USB type, a port that can power a HDMI smart TV streaming dongle, and a 3.5 million audio out jack. Most important, it delivers more than acceptable image quality for casual viewing, including an image that's guaranteed for free of rainbow artifacts. And if you do not rather not plug in an external sound system, the onboard 3-watt speakers offer usual audio quality at high enough volume for a small group. So guys, with this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.